Alright guys, today we're doing a 2017 Nissan Altima. Windshield wipers, pretty easy here. We're going to just push this guy, like so, and push it down. Oh wait a minute, push it in there. And then push it down, it just released, boom, just like that. The big one is off, and same with the little one. Get it off, same deal. Just get that little tab, push it in, just push it in, pull it down, it's released, boom, it's off. Let's get these new ones, H28 and H16. It's basically a 28 inch and a 16 inch. I'm going to pop open them. Alright, so we're just going to put this one back up, in, like that, until it clicks into position. Oh, hold on, I got water on the camera. Alright, that's better. Get it up in there, and then we just gotta pull it until it clicks. Why isn't it clicking in? Sometimes it's better with two hands. Let me see what's going on here. I got him get me another little one. It just wouldn't click in. Big one, boom, clicked right in, no problem, just like it's supposed to. And then there's a white guard. Whoop. And the little one does the same thing. You get the idea. Alright, when they bring me another little one, I'll put it in, but you get the idea on what's going on. It's helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Peace.